If you want to use the Add Me mode in camera on Google Pixel 11, of course, first we want to go to the camera and we want to switch all the way here to the Add Me option. You will even find instructions as you try to use this mode, and in fact, if you open this mode for the first time, you will probably find some detailed instruction on how it works in general. So what you need to do is first, the photographer has to take a photo of the group. So let's say there are 5 people in the group, one person takes the photo, and the rest of the group just poses, of course, and the photographer takes the photo. But the group should leave empty space, some space for the person who is taking the photo. So they can just simply pretend like the photographer is standing right next to them. So then you take the photo. And after that, what you need to do is you want to simply ask someone from that group who was in the initial photo to take a photo of you. So also the photographer, of course. So then the photographer goes to that spot which was left for them and trying to, of course, take the photo exactly the same way, in the same spot, from the same angle. You should be able to then utilize the Add Me feature, and the Add Me feature should combine these 2 photos. So in case you need some additional help, here in the upper right corner we have this question mark. You can find some examples which definitely can visualize you how exactly it works. So there we go. Here we have, let me actually rewind that. Let's see if I can actually do that. But there we go. Here we have the first person, and then these people switch around, and then they take the second photo of that second person, and then we have the result, both people on one photo. And like I said, here we can go to the how-to in order to find detailed instruction on how to make sure on how to properly use this feature and take a group photo with everyone, including the photographer. So that is pretty much it. With all of that information, you should definitely be able to take a picture using the Add Me mode. Leave a like and subscribe.